Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. So we are done
Yes,
with Google search, Google display, Google video campaign, Google shopping campaign, right? So the four different
yes.
types of campaigns are done. Okay. So there are two more types of campaigns. We'll look into it today. Okay. So two more campaigns are Performance Max and Discovery campaign. Okay. See, again, this Performance Max is a combination of display and search. And the discovery campaign is mainly a display campaign. Discovery campaign is a discovery campaign is mainly a display campaign, but eliminating certain things like elimination of display on across various display networks. So it's going to show you. See, in display ads, your ad will be shown on Google, Gmail, Google Maps, Google Play Store, and various other Google platforms, right? Google Maps, Google Play Store, YouTube, and various other places. So, and lot of external websites, lot of external websites. I have shown you, right? Any website can be part of Google Display Network if they are registering through Google AdSense, right? So now eliminating all those websites, it shows on all Google partners websites, not display partners, but Google search platforms, Google search partners, such as Google Maps, Google Play Store, Google Gmail, right? See, showing ads only on these kinds of platforms is called as discovery ads, right? See, Google is creating certain amount of convenience to show ads only on specific set of platforms, whereas display includes everything. Your search campaign includes everything, your shopping campaign includes everything, but you are optimizing it in such a way you are showing your ads only on search platforms when it is search campaigns only, right? When it is display, and you have an option to target anything of your choice, to pick the platform of your choice, right? So Performance Max is a combination of this display and which is the other one? This is search. Uh, Reach audience across all of Google with a single campaign. Reach audience across all of Google with a single campaign. Right? See, this is search and combination of. See how it works. Meet your goals faster. Reach the right audiences of various goals. Performance Max will automatically show your ads to people who match your goals. Guide automation with an audience signal to get faster results. Show high quality ads using your assets. Performance Max automatically tests and builds top performing ads for each network. So this is YouTube video, search, shopping, display. This is discovery. This is YouTube, discovery like Google Maps. This is shopping. This is what is this? I'm not sure, but this is Google search. So this is display network on other external websites. See, your ads are basically shown everywhere. Google Shopping, if you are a e-commerce business, otherwise this won't happen. But your ads will be shown here, and on various other websites and on Google search as well. And it is called as Performance Max. Reach the right audiences for your goals. Performance Max will automatically show your ads to people who match your goals. Guide automation with an audience signal to get faster results. Meet your goals faster. Find conversions where and when they happen with the help of automation. Performance Max uses your goals to find potential customers, include new ones across all Google networks. See, this is again simply it's taking some input and making you to show ads everywhere, right? So it's just collecting some data from you that is going to be your goal data. Performance Max uses your goals. We'll look into it while launching. We'll look into it. Yeah, let's pick Performance Max. You're all able to see it, right?
Yes.
Okay. So there are only two options. One is conversions and conversion value. Set a target return on ad spend, target ROAS. So how is it calculated? Your target ROAS is the average conversion value you would like to get for each dollar you spend on ads. Enter a value as a percentage using the formula conversion value divided by ad spend into 100% is target ROAS. Okay, so let's take an example that you're going to spend 100 rupees. 100 rupees to get one sale, right? So when you sell, your product price is 1 lakh rupee. 1 lakh rupee divided by 100 into percentage is your target ROAS. Or let's say you are spending not 100 rupees, you are spending 1000 rupees. So now 1 lakh divided by 1000 is 10,000 rupees. Sorry, 100, right? 100 into 100 percentage is 10,000 percentage. Are you all understanding it, guys? Target ROAS is nothing but revenue, sale, ticket price. So when you sell a product, you are making a revenue of 5,000 rupees. Let's assume you are making a price, when you sell, you are making 5,000 rupees. So 5,000 rupees, to achieve this 5,000 rupees, you must have spent 500 rupees, correct? So 5,000 divided by 500 is 10. 10 into 100 percentage is the target ROAS. So that is, I'll have to do it in the Excel sheet. That will be 1000 percentage. So your target ROAS is calculated purely based on, right? So your conversion return on ad spend, return ROAS is return on ad spend. So I am expecting return of 1000 percentage, right? I'm expecting return of 500 percentage. Target ROAS. So for example, if your goal is to get an average of $5 in sales for each $1 spent, you are making $5 in revenue by spending $1. Your target ROAS is now 5 divided by 1 into 100 percentage, that is going to be 500 percentage. See, for every $1 sale, if you are expecting $5, that is nothing but 500 percentage ROAS. 500 percentage return on ad spend. Are you all understanding it, everybody? You are spending $1, and for every $1 spent, you are expecting 5 times. 500 $5. $5 is 5 times of your spend, correct? You are spending $1 and you are expecting 5 times. 5 times is nothing but 500 percentage ROAS, return on ad investment. How did you calculate? 5 divided by the revenue achieved or the price that you have got by selling a product divided by your spend $1 into 100 percentage becomes 500. So now let's say digital marketing course, I am selling it at, let's say, 30,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees, and to achieve this 50,000 rupees, I have to spend 5,000 rupees. Correct? Which is 10 into 100 percentage. Now it's going to be 1000 percentage ROAS. I'm expecting 5 times, right? I'm spending 5,000 rupees, sorry, 10 times. I'm spending 5,000 rupees and I'm expecting 50,000 rupees, correct? That is nothing but 10 times. So if I'm spending 10,000 rupees and expecting 50,000 rupees, that is 5 times. That is 5 times, correct? 5 times is nothing but 500 percentage ROAS. Did you all get that? Right? So you can bid it in this format or simply conversions. Set a target cost per acquisition. So I don't want to get a sale more than 50 rupees. So I want to acquire a customer in less than 50 rupees. So since this is an e-commerce, so I can keep it as 50 rupees or 100 rupees. But when it comes to training, so training it expects 5,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees as the target cost per acquisition. So CPA is cost per acquisition, right? So since this is e-commerce business where CPs are 1 rupee, 2 rupee, so I can set it as 50 rupees or maybe 100 rupees is cost per acquisition. Did you all get that? And now if I have to take the product price, each person buys a product worth of 1000 rupees, correct? Or even sometimes 500 rupees only. So now for 500 rupees, to achieve 500 rupees, so if I have to spend 100 rupees, the target ROS is again 500 percentage. So your cost, see, same thing again, your cost per acquisition is going to be 100 rupees. If you're making 500 rupees revenue, you are clearly indicating that I'm okay to spend up to 100 rupees per sale. Just they are correcting it. It's one and the same. You're just presenting it in a different way. Correct? Customer acquisition, optimize campaigns for acquiring new customers. No, I'll not optimize. Uh, huh? Optimize campaign for acquiring new customers. So Google gives you an option to show your campaigns only for people who never visited your website, or show only for people who have visited your website, or show evenly, right? So on search campaign on Google, my intention is to show to everybody whomsoever is searching on Google, show it to them, correct? Don't discriminate whether they have visited the website in the past or not. Don't consider any of the data. See, if you want to optimize campaign for acquiring new customers, you can check this and you can tell, look at this, bid higher for new customers than few existing customers. So it's suggesting bid higher price. Example, how conversion value for an 2455.17 purchase would be calculated from an existing customer 2455.17, from a new customer 4032.24. No, no, this is not cost. Conversion value, how the revenue is achieved. So you are using maximize conversion value bid strategy. You will bid higher for acquiring. See, you will bid higher for acquiring new customers because the conversion value from a new customer is higher than that of from an existing customer. See, old customer is by default intended to visit your website only, correct? So the conversion values of the CPCs for that will be lower comparatively, and if you are trying to bid for new customers, it's going to be high is what this method is telling. Only bid higher for new customers than for existing customers recommended. So you are simply paying 5 rupees per click to everybody. Now when you pick this option, you are telling that you pay 2 rupees extra to new customers. Why should you do? You would have probably got at the same 5 rupees to the existing to everybody, right? Or the other scenario is, to the new customers, your ads would have not appeared that frequently, right? Bid higher for new customers than for existing customers. The option lets you optimize for new customer acquisition while helping you drive overall sales by targeting all customers. Additional conversion value from new customers. So you can make additional this much revenue if you're targeting new customers. That's what they're educating. See, if you're targeting only your old customers, you will make 2,400 rupees revenue. But if you're targeting old customers also, you'll be making, for new customers also, you'll be making 4,032 as a revenue. Only bid for new customers. This will block showing ads for old customers. This option limits your ads to only new customers regardless of your bid strategy. So I don't want to go with any of those things. Let it be like that. See, Google is experimenting, just understanding if you are ready to pay more, if you are greedy, if you are aggressive, right? See, Google is encashing the weakness, right? Movie tickets, people will sell it in the black in the early morning first show. People are making money out of it, just using the scenario or reason whatsoever. Right? Just click on next. Enter a location. I'll say Bangalore. This targeting everybody else. Automatically created assets. Google has created text assets final URL. Okay. Next. Let Google AI help you generate assets. What products or services are you advertising in the campaign? Let's consider this one only. What makes your products or services unique? Select pages to enhance and suggest images. Okay, I can access asset generation, Google AI, and I can generate assets. Why is not available for me? Okay. See now, this step. What is the reason? Tell us about your campaign. For some reason, this is not available. So I'll just skip. We can manually write the ad copies. Ad group or asset group. Okay. So this is where you're going to write your ad, right? So final URL, I'm going to send them to my home page. See now for search campaigns, you have to give some headlines, 15 headlines, long headlines, descriptions up to 5, long headlines up to 5, images you can add up to 20 images, logos up to 5, business name, right? Videos. See because it's going to show everywhere. See, 1, 2 is also fine. You can add up to 5. You can add up to 5. See now, performance max, it's going to show on Google search, Gmail, YouTube, display, discovery. Discovery is again Google Maps and couple of other places. Like on YouTube also, everywhere. Like I'll show you. Let's write the ad copy. It will start showing you the actual text. Asset group 1, final URL. I'll add https://coach.com is the final URL. Headline. I am lazy to write and I'm just picking some headlines from this. You can have write up to 30 characters. Write interesting pieces of information or text here. Okay. This is up to 60 characters to 90 characters. One short description and two big descriptions. And everything else is a bigger description later. Okay, fine. Images, just select all. It has scanned the website and it has suggested some images. So I'm just selecting all of them. So if you don't have a video, Google is going to automatically create a video for you. Add links to your ads to take people to specific pages on your website. I can add slide links. So it looks like this. Site links it looks. I can add call to action. So automated, it based on the platform, it automatically picks one of them and shows respectively. When you pick automated, and you can pick only one of your choice also. Okay, so you can give some words. What are the different words people use to search about your products? So it's showing on Google search, Gmail. It shows on email like this. When you go to your email, on Google search, it shows like this. On YouTube, it shows a video like this, plus it would show your normal text also. Display, display it shows all the shopping ads like this. Discover, no. So, just, sorry, sorry. Okay, so here you can add some search terms as well. Based on this, maybe I'll add traditional foods, Andhra snacks, Andhra pickles, Kandra foods, Sitara foods, Godavari, Vantillu, Krista. Okay, okay, it has to be next line, next line. Right this way, right? This way you can add up to 50 terms. Okay. Okay. So third party data can help users reach your customers and save the audience signal. So you can add your website visitors, all website visitors, all users of Kandra Foods, right? Previous visitors. So it's telling that at 14,000 rupees you will be able to achieve 70,000 rupees revenue. That's all. Next, average daily budget 2000 rupees, 1600 rupees. Set a custom budget 500 rupees. Okay, weekly 3500 spent 46,000 rupees revenue. Average conversion value or cost 1335.99 percentage. So we have set right return on ad spend. This is return on ad spend. So 1300 percentage times. We calculated right some method. No, 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 it's not. See, you cannot say it's costly or cheaper. See, it depends on your return on ad spend. See, for every 50 rupees, if you are making 10 times, 50, 10 times is 500 rupees. Okay. So ads will go live after a review. Okay. We are done. We have launched it. Okay. Ibrahim, pause Contra Foods all Google ads. Na? Contra Foods, Google ads pause them. Make a note of which all campaigns are active now. Select all of them at one go and pause them. Okay, maybe I'll show it to you. Let's see. Next time we can. Okay. Okay. So we are done with the launching of a campaign. Okay. Did you all understand, guys? You all understood, right?
Yeah.
Any questions? You can launch this one. See, you can do anything of your choice. See, where should I put hoarding? Should I put the hoarding next to Manyata Tech Park or Bagmane Tech Park or next to EcoSpace is what your question looks like. See, you have a certain understanding where your customers are, which is near to your place. See, these are all learning about different campaign types, right? So you have to decide or understand what one works. See, search is always the best for you, right? So if you want to aggressively capture other markets, so for you the video campaigns we did also would work super effectively, considering your service, hair transplantation. So it should work very well. The video campaigns, showing to people, showing ads that to only to people who are already searching for something like that on the internet related to hair care, right? Okay, you don't have to pause it. Yes, you can go with that also. See, performance max is a combination of everything. When you want to go with a combination of everything, you can do that. Otherwise, not costly. See, it's costly or less expensive is not decided like that. Based on the returns. Whichever is, see, you may have to launch all kinds of campaigns for your business and understand which is giving good returns. See, search obviously will give you good returns. If search is highly competitive, you go with the video campaign and show ads only to people who are already searching like that, which might work out very well based on the messaging, based on the type of information you communicate or put on the video, right? So if your product is such that people needs education, you have to rely on again display marketing, video marketing, right? Okay, Brett, that problem is fixed. Okay. So now we'll look into the other campaign type, last type of campaign, that is discovery. Yeah. Okay. So website traffic and continue demand generation. Sorry, not discovery. Drive demand and conversions on YouTube, Discover and Gmail with image and video ads. See, it is only YouTube, Discover and Gmail with. So we'll see that. What is that? Discover is again like display websites and all, like Google partner websites. Okay, demand generation 2024 date 8. Conversions clicks. Okay, maybe we'll select the clicks. Budget daily 100 rupees. Start date select group. Your budget is too low for your selected location targeting. Which location did we select? Yeah, demand generation.
ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
So leads all will be on the website. See, you are driving traffic to the website. So now your website has to see it's something like that. You have put a hoarding that you have a new restaurant at so and so place. But when people go there, there is no restaurant. Or there is a restaurant, but there is a small hut, no place to sit there. See, your marketing campaigns are amazing. They are pulling a lot of crowd, but when they come there, it cannot accommodate five people also. But 500 people have come. You lost the business. There's no point of pulling such a big crowd, right? So same way, when you are bringing all the traffic to your website, when they come to the website, they will see the website. They will fill the forms on the website. You have to make sure that the forms on the website are all functional, and you will be receiving those leads to your email. And if it's a e-commerce, they should be able to add to cart and buy and purchase the product. Got it? It works that way.
ಆದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಯೂಶಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ? Who told you they will not have the patience? You have patience to sit here for hours together for the last several months, right? So people who are really interested, they will fill the form, but don't frustrate them with too many personal details or too many details. So they'll be okay to fill their name, email ID, phone number, and their message. I am struggling with so and so, or I am looking for to register for a digital marketing course. Don't ask what is your age, what is your gender, how many kids you have, how much you earn every month, every day, right? Which vehicle do you use? It's none of my business to ask all these kinds of details who are looking for to register for a digital marketing course. The only thing I have to understand is their name, email ID, phone number, so that I'll be able to approach them and address them with their name. Correct? And their requirements or expectations is one message field enough. I don't have to ask, give me the exact date of birth, give me your PAN card, give me your Aadhaar card, right? Your age, right? And how many cars you own, how many bikes you own, how much of farmland you own. This is most frustrating or annoying thing, not supposed to be asked. And if you're asking, they will stop filling it and they will go away. You spent so much to bring them to the website. These many you have launched various kinds of campaigns, correct? Now when they came to your website, you are disappointing them, correct? Okay. See, this is also very simple to launch. We up to ad group, you don't have to do anything. At ad group place, you are selecting. Do you want to show all products or only some products? Enter location Bangalore, includes languages. Add on audience. I'll add. I can add this.
The competitor's website browser. Word ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
Earlier we had created the audience. We named it. See, you can create the audience of your choice. So you can edit it. Yesterday we created audiences by picking all the websites here. Add new segment, and we had created it, and it is showing by default now. Okay. So image and product ads, video or products ad, product only ads. It takes all the products from our merchant center account now. See, it is showing on YouTube, and you can add some default text which will be shown at different places. So it's the same thing. So YouTube, Discover, where is it showing? Discover is again Google Shopping. It's showing under Google Shopping and Gmail, right? Okay. Sorry, ads will be shown like that, just like that to everybody. Okay, you can add path one, path two. Yeah, this is optional. You don't have to add all these prefixes, suffixes to the URL. YouTube, how it shows.
I'll display Indian food supplements. ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಅದು ಹಾಕಿರೋ
Hair transplantation of bacteria. In the in generic, how do you represent your business? You will be adding that word.
ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೇರ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್
So you can launch these kinds of ad at very top level to all of your services or pick only one service. If it is only one service, use the service specific keywords or service specific headlines and description. Okay, done. So that's all. Create new ad and it's all ready to be published.
final URL website.
Yeah, I showed you, right? Final URL to where you want to send them to hair transplantation page or skincare page or something else. You pick the page of your choice and you send them. That's all. After submitting, the ad will get created. That's all. I have done this filled all this also. Yeah, clear, guys. Everybody. Everyone, did you all understand? So this will complete Google Ads launching different types of ad campaigns. But then we have couple of things to explore on Google Ads platform, right? Like negatives, we have understood negatives also and where to add. We have learned all of that, and maybe auction insights, reading who all are. That's not important at this stage. Eventually, anyways, we will learn it. But anyways, quickly we'll go through all of those things in the coming class, tomorrow's class. Uh, the settings or certain other options or features of the platform, Google Ads platform. So see, so far you have learned only different types of campaigns, right? Apart from that, Google Ads platform has so many other options or features, correct? So for example, see, you have goals, tools, billing, admin. At a top level, let's take a quick glance of all of these things. Yeah. See, whatever you create, ads, assets, everything, it all shows up here only. Okay. All of these things, what does this mean? Yeah. Yeah. We'll explore some of these things. Anyways, you will be exploring and you get to work on this on projects hands on when you are working at some company or when you are working on your own project. You will get to explore everything. Yeah. Right. But main part, 99% work is campaign thing and we are done with that. Okay. Yeah. So if no questions, can we wind it up for today? Guys, everybody? So by the way, tomorrow we'll start it at by 10 o'clock. Yeah.